In the kingdom of Serendipity, the sorcerer of shadows cast a dark spell, threatening eternal darkness. Plants withered, and rivers dried up. The three princesses, Aurora, Luna, and Stella, embarked on a quest to find the Crystal of Light, the only artifact that could defeat the sorcerer. Deep within the enchanted forest, they met a wounded deer, who led them to the guardian of the forest, an ancient owl. The guardian told them they had to pass 3 trials: courage, wisdom, and unity. In the trial of courage, Luna parted a roaring waterfall, revealing a hidden path. In the trial of wisdom, Stella solved a riddle about an echo. The final trial of unity required them to use their combined powers to unlock a colossal stone door. Beyond the door, they found the Crystal of Light and returned to confront the sorcerer. Using the crystal, they combined their powers: Aurora's animals, Luna's winds and rains, and Stella's flames and earth. A dazzling beam of light engulfed the sorcerer, dissolving his darkness. Serendipity was saved, with flowers blooming and rivers flowing again. The people celebrated the princess's bravery and unity. Aurora, Luna, and Stella returned to the castle, their bond stronger than ever, ensuring Serendipity remained a place of enchantment and harmony, forever protected by their extraordinary gifts.